Hi, today we're going to learn how to create a form with two layers of validation. First validation will be client-based using JavaScript and jQuery in this specific case. Second one will be server-side validation. So basically, whenever someone's submitting some information, if we, let's say, submit this form without filling in any details, you can see the first form validation was practically instant. And this is because we're using client-side validation, meaning everything's happening within the browser without sending information to the server, where server validation would occur. So first one is JavaScript, and that's going to give us an instant response. As you can see, very quick response. We've got all these validation messages displayed here. Once we fill in the form correctly, let's put some names here. email@email.com. Let's put some password. I'm just going to put 3 characters just to check whether this is going to work. Then some age, some gender, and I agree to terms and conditions. If I click on submit, have a look at what's gonna happen. First of all, we have a problem with the password, obviously, because it was less than 6 characters, but also because it's a password, it's emptied the field on its own. So basically the value which has been entered onto the password has been removed. So if I now put some password with 6 characters or more and submit the form, you can see the form has faded out and the message has faded in. This information, basically the values which have been submitted through the form, are just for the testing purposes. Normally you wouldn't be displaying this on the page, you would only display this top section, obviously saying that the form has been submitted successfully or something along these lines. So now that we know what we're going to be building, let's move to our editor. Together with the exercise files, we've got a folder with CSS file, which has already been prepared, so you don't have to be worried about all this styling. Obviously, if you are building your own custom form, you will have all this formatting already in place anyway. Then we have index.php, and we have JS folder with the latest version of jQuery at the time of this recording, obviously, and the blank file called core.js. So let's move to the next video when we're actually working with our index.php, creating the structure of the form.